Hey there, it's Mark Wittauer, and I promised you a quick video to show you how to set up Google Analytics in 6 minutes. Now, I'm going to go as slow as I can so you don't miss even one juicy bit, but we're still going to try to bring it in under 6 minutes. Before we start though, let's just go over a few things. First, what I'm working with here is a very basic website, a site with just a squeeze page and a thank you page on it. They're plain old HTML pages. Why just 2 pages? Because once you see how this is done on one page, you can pretty much put analytics on any page you like. It's pretty much just lather, rinse, repeat. The site that we're going to work on is at markwittauer.net. It's a site that I'm using just for demonstrations kind of like this one. Second, I use a program called Dreamweaver to update my websites. It's the industry standard website editing program and the one that most professionals use. But you can use just about any website editor you have, like Coffee Cup or Composer. Those are both much less expensive than Dreamweaver, and there's even a bunch of free ones too. I'm guessing you've got at least one of these installed and set up to connect your website so that you can make changes already. Let me see. Third, I've already signed up for an account at Google. Anybody can have a Google account, and Google gives them away for free. If you've already got a Gmail account or an AdWords account, then that is your Google account. You can log into Analytics with that username and password, just as I'll do the same here. All right, well, if you are ready to start the timer, let's get going. Now, how do you install Analytics on your website? There are just 4 steps, and here they are. Number 1, sign up for Analytics. Number 2, get the tracking code from Google. Number 3, put the tracking code on your website. And number 4, let Google confirm that you did it right. From there on, Google will track every page you put its analytics code on and give you some outstanding reports about where traffic comes from, what it does once it gets to your site, and when it leaves. You can also do some cool tracking and testing things with analytics, but today we're just going to focus on getting analytics installed. Baby steps, okay? All right, let's go get it done. So here we are at google.com. We'll just put /analytics like that, and here we are. So here we go. I'm going to click sign up now. And by the way, if you don't have a Google account yet, you can just click this button over here, or you can go to gmail.com, a good thing to do. And here I've made up an account called Mark's Demonstrations at gmail.com. And the password, I'm not going to tell you, but there it is. And I'm going to click sign in. So here I am in Google Analytics with this account for the very first time. We're going to finish the sign up process by clicking this button over here. And really what we're doing now is giving Google the information for the very first website that we're going to be dealing with. So in this case, it's markwittauer.net. And heck, let's go ahead and put www in there, right? And what time zone? Well, its country is the United States, and I'm at Pacific time. Click continue. And here it wants my information. My office number. We agree to the terms of service. Now you only have to do that one time. When you add new websites, then you don't have to go through that every time. And that's it, okay? This code right here, you see that? Looks like Greek. Well, you know what? We don't have to care what's in there. All we care is that we copy and paste this, right? So that's it. We're going to take this, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to choose copy. That's it. That's step 1. Actually, that's step 1 and step 2. Remember, step 1 was just to sign up for analytics. Step 2 is to get the code. There's the code. So now we're going to go over to Dreamweaver, and in Dreamweaver, I'm looking here at the way the page looks when it's online. I'm going to take a look at the code. I'm going to click this button right here, code, and that's the code. And all they want us to do is put it somewhere before the body tag in the HTML code. So you see, this is the very end of the HTML code, and all we're going to do is we're going to right click and we're going to choose paste, and that's the analytics code that Google wants us to put here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this, and now that's the thank you page. We're going to go back to the home page. We're going to do the same thing. Okay, we're going to put it at the bottom of the page. I'm going to click code, go way down to the bottom before the body tag. I'm going to right click and choose paste. Oh, you don't even see that here. Let me see. There we go.
let me just add some blank lines here. Here we go. So I'm going to right click and choose paste. Right? And there it is. That's it. Just this chunk right there. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. And I'm going to upload. Now, watch this. This is how easy it is to upload a file in Dreamweaver. I'm going to upload the index file. I just click this up arrow button, and there it goes. And now I'm going to do the thank you page as well. And that's already done. That was very fast. And now we go back here to our website, and if I refresh these pages, they will have that tracking code on them. By the way, that's step 3, right? Put the code on the page, and we've uploaded them. Now, what's the very last step? Google wants to make sure that we've done everything right. So we're going to click this continue button. And now what Google is telling us is that we have a brand new site set up, and here's the domain name. And right here it says check status. It says, hey, we haven't checked to see if the code is put up on your pages correctly yet. I'm going to go ahead and just click the check status link. And sometimes it takes 2 or 3 times for Google to get it right, for Google to notice it. But I'm going to go ahead and click this. If Google doesn't see the code yet, it will just give us the same code again. We're just going to click finish one more time. And here we go. Tracking installed. See that? That's it. We're done. Google Analytics is now installed. Now, later in a few days, if you want to just come to markwhithour.net, I mean, there's nothing there but these 2 pages, and click on the home page, and or go to the home page, and then maybe click on and view the thank you page. That'll be great. That'll give us some statistics, and we can view them later. But right now, there's no data. But this is what the inside of analytics looks like. And once we start having data, we're going to see a graph here that shows all the traffic we're getting. We'll be able to see where the traffic comes from here in the traffic sources section. And we'll be able to look over here, which pages they're looking at in the content section. You'll even be able to set up what are called goals, so you can measure how many people go through your conversion process, like go through your squeeze page or buy things from you. Analytics is going to measure all of that for you.
Okay, so we're done. Yes, already. Have you been putting off setting up analytics because you thought it was hard to do? I'm curious what you think now. So go ahead and get it done now for your own website. You'll need analytics before you start to drive traffic to it. Now, if you'd like to see some of the reporting goodies inside of analytics, I'll make you another video, but we'll need some data in there. So go visit markwhithour.net so you can get some data, or put a link on your site to my site and click that link and have some other people click it too. And let's see what shows up next week. By the way, if you thought that this was easy, then you're going to love my traffic course. We're going to take some things that you might think are hard, or have been told are hard, or actually are hard to do, and make them easy. Stupid easy. My goal here is the same as yours, to get you lots and lots of traffic to your site. But the one thing that you probably never had before in a traffic course was something that is critical to actually getting traffic. I've never seen this in any traffic course before, even the most recent big ones. What you never had in the box that's dropped at your door was some done. D-O-N-E, done. It doesn't matter what you learn if you don't have someone to take you from theory and lessons to actually getting it done. If you don't have that, then the course didn't do what you needed it to do. Now, go set up analytics on your site and get some done, and let me know how it goes. By the way, please leave me a comment on my blog and let me know what you think of this video. Did it help? Was it easy enough to follow? Give me some feedback. It's only going to make the course better. Tomorrow, I've got some answers to some questions you've been asking. Okay, I'm all done for now. Now it's your turn to get it done.